Did you know ancient Egyptians used sugar wax 3,000 years ago? From the dawn of humanity, we've had a rather complicated relationship with our body hair. But have you ever stopped to ask why we remove it, or even if we should? But we've certainly spent millennia devising ways to tame it. In this vast landscape of human endeavor we call hair removal, there lies a rich tapestry of techniques, each with its own intriguing characteristics and evolutionary advantages. Join me, dear viewer, as we embark on a quest to uncover the secrets of the most effective hair removal methods known to humankind. Together we'll navigate this intricate world, exploring the pros and cons of each technique so you can make informed choices for your own personal grooming rituals. Shaving, a ritual as familiar as the sunrise, yet no less fascinating for its ubiquity. This age-old practice, employing the sharp edge of a blade to remove hair at the skin surface, is a testament to human ingenuity. It's quick, it's convenient, and it's readily available. But like a fleeting sunset, its results are short-lived. And just as a careless touch can disturb a delicate ecosystem, improper shaving techniques can lead to nicks, cuts, and the dreaded razor burn. Yet for all its imperfections, shaving remains a cornerstone of our grooming habits, a testament to its enduring appeal. Next, we venture into the world of waxing, a technique that, while not for the faint of heart, offers a longer-lasting solution. Here, a sticky resin, often derived from the sap of trees, is used to ensnare hairs, removing them from the root. The sensation, while momentarily intense, is soon replaced by a blissful smoothness that lasts for weeks. Waxing, much like a tenacious vine clinging to a wall, can also help to reduce hair growth over time, but beware, for this method, like a delicate ecosystem, requires careful consideration. The heat from the wax can irritate sensitive skin, and improper technique can lead to ingrown hairs. Now we enter the realm of modern technology with laser hair removal, a method that employs highly concentrated beams of light to target hair follicles with surgical precision. This technique, with its promise of permanent hair reduction, holds a certain allure, much like a distant galaxy beckons to an astronomer. Imagine a world free from the tyranny of razors and the sticky embrace of wax. But much like space travel, laser hair removal requires a significant investment both in terms of time and finances. And while the results can be transformative, it's important to remember that even the most advanced technology has its limitations. Multiple sessions are often required, and not all hair colors and skin types are created equal in the eyes of a laser. Let us now delve into the world of depilatory creams, where chemistry reigns supreme. These creams, imbued with powerful compounds, work by dissolving the protein structure of hair, causing it to disintegrate and disappear, much like a magician's illusion. It's a painless process, as gentle as a summer breeze compared to the rigor of waxing or the prickliness of shaving. But like a potent potion, depilatory creams require caution. Their chemical composition, while effective, can also irritate sensitive skin, and their pungent aroma, reminiscent of a laboratory experiment gone awry, is not for everyone. Finally, we arrive at epilation, a technique that, like a meticulous gardener tending to their prized roses, involves plucking hairs from the root, one by one. This method, while time-consuming, offers the allure of long-lasting results, often weeks of smooth, hair-free skin. Epilation devices, with their intricate mechanisms, are marvels of modern engineering. But be warned, this method, much like a deep tissue massage, can be a tad uncomfortable, especially for those new to its charms. And so, dear viewers, our journey through the world of hair removal comes to an end. We've explored ancient practices, marveled at modern innovations, and perhaps even discovered a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance between our bodies and the tools we use to groom them. Remember, the best hair removal method is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a personal choice, shaped by your individual needs, preferences, and perhaps a touch of adventurous spirit. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a razor and a rather persistent patch of stubble. Click the link in the video description and you'll find several essential personal care products that will help you stay comfortable and fresh all the time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more self-care tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.